Over 3 days in September, our grade 6s took part in the Achdut, or Unity program, together with our grade 9 and grade 10 student leaders, taking place in various locations around Hong Kong, from Hoi Ha all the way down to Tai Tam. The aim of this activity is to help the children come together a little bit better as they start their secondary education, learning to work together and help each other in different situations. Some of the activities that they took part in were things like gorge walking, very active and very demanding, but also skill-based, learning how to filter their own water and to start their own fires. They also had water days as well, where they were learning to build their own rafts and also snorkel. Overall, the 3 days were successful and we look forward to next year as well.